You can't see anything out here.
Mm-hmm.
At least you got night vision.
Don't. You do.
Oh, I nailed it and it's going down.
Hey, now you killed it. You want a bucket?
Cam, don't break that, man.
You have to go like this.
Who you racing it, bro?
Cam, you have to
See,
go like
race
this.
again from across the lake.
Okay, give me mine.
Cam, get over here and see if you can race across the lake like
you
you're
have to
blowing.
blow it from right here. Here, give it.
You blow that and then I go to the center.
Wait,
How do you know who
wait.
wins?
You have to go all the way to the back. Whoever gets to their
That's the other contest, Cammy.
Yeah, whoever gets to their end.
Cammy, you're sinking. You went under. Cammy, you went under. Nick wins.
I hit.
You're soft,
Ready,
baby.
Cam? Let's go.
Cammy, you gotta put yours up on the water. Yours is sinking.
I won.
You can't win when you sink your battleship.
You think your battleship.
No, I didn't.
Your ship was 2 inches underwater. Uh-oh.
I won!
Uncle Tom?
Yeah!
Good
Uncle
job,
Tom made
Cam.
a
You're
secret
awesome, man.
battleship.
You killed me.
Ow! You take my ow!
Good job, Cam. Cam, it's bright.
Yeah.
It's a bright
Ah, it's a bright light.
Poor little butterfly.
Oh. Wait. You gotta put this thing on your head.
He doesn't need to blindfold, Meg.
Okay. You don't
Move back, Cam. Emily, move back.
He doesn't need it either. Just give
Okay,
it to, don't try it on Emily yet. It's not her turn. You might knock that thing apart.
Wait, Daddy, can you give me mine?
Actually, I'd move back 5 feet. Okay, let's
That's
somebody
all,
else try now.
That's good.
Okay, you better take it.
You already broke it.
Okay.
You broke the wing off.
Go ahead, Cammy boy.
Robbie, you're smart.
Go, Cam.
Just give him 2 hits, Christy.
Then it'll be my turn.
Rob,
1 hit for the bigger one.
Move out of the
Move
way,
back, Cam.
I got the blindfold. You don't need it.
I don't want to know.
Whoa!
Okay, that's enough, Cam. That's enough.
Okay.
Whoa, I can see the candy falling off the butt.
The poor
Bottom.
wing.
Here,
Yeah, see? Yeah, I do
Yourself against the tree.
Yeah, that wasn't a very good spot to have it, was it?
Yeah.
Here's your bag, honey.
This is where they set it up last year, so they looked for a better spot, couldn't find one.
Yeah, walk forward.
Okay, move far enough back, you guys. Cam, Robbie, move back.
You might get dizzy.
3. Okay, wait, not until I tell you. Okay, now swing.
Go.
Meg, come on, move.
2,
Wow.
3. Oh, okay.
Hey, all the candy's gonna come right at me.
I feel so bad for the butter.
Jeez.
Watson, he's dangerous. Gosh, Jim.
Whoa.
Wait. Let me put it up with
That's all for you, Zachary.
It broke the wheel.
Uh-oh, she's going to trip on her
No,
towel
she like
there.
goes to bend.
Move
She
back
throws the
again.
bat at you, so she's like,
Don't hit yet. Stand back, kids.
I hurt my thumb really bad.
Okay, now. Okay.
Oh, you knocked the
Whoa.
wing off. It's like that. Look at the butt. There's like a hole
I'm
in
gonna
it.
get to go again.
Yeah, Meg.
We want to whack the middle. No.
Hi, Meg.
Whoa.
You can.
Meg, whack it up. The butt's the thing that's broken.
Hey,
Just go
stand
like
back,
this.
guys.
Meg, go like this.
Go.
And make sure you don't whack your face.
Watch it, Christy. Don't get in the way of Alyssa.
Okay, do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you can do it. 1, 2.
Oh.
Okay,
Whoa.
my turn.
I didn't even hit it. I hit the wing.
Hey, Alyssa, that looks good with your bathing suit.
What does?
That thing at the
Dollar store. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, go, Maggie, go. I'm gonna win. It's probably gonna come off.
So it doesn't matter. It fits on everyone right now.
Hey.
3.
No, and you have to spin me around.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Mom, you don't. Just once. Or not.
She likes to spin. Okay.
Right here?
Aim lower. Swing it. Go like a bat. Like a bat. Swing
Move
it.
back, Christy. You're gonna get hit.
Watch out, Mama.
Swing it like a bat. Go.
Come on. What happened?
Go sideways.
Whoa! You missed it.
Try.
Whoa!
Robbie.
You did it once.
Robbie, it's your turn. Come on.
Okay, get rid of the blindfold, Christy.
Huh?
Get rid of the blindfold.
You can do it!
Do you want me to snail it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you don't need the blindfold. You just hit it.
Matt, watch
You You
out.
only get 3 turns, Rob.
Matt, get out of the way.
Oh,
Three
wait,
turns.
stand back. Oh, look at that face.
Roar!
Whoa.
Whoa, man.
I know that.
You put some swing into that. Roar!
Wow.
Roar! Whoa!
Whoa.
That bottom one almost whacked me.
Wait. Stand back.
Move back, Cam.
Okay, now somebody else's turn. All right, Rob. Oh, my God.
Close enough, Cam.
You don't want to hold your breath. If you hit it, then you knock all the candy down. You want to get the candy. Okay. You don't have to put that on.
Hey, you don't need the blindfold anymore, Emily.
Okay. Good without it.
For days.
Should I just nail it? Take it down.
Let me
Mm-hmm.
try a couple more whacks at it.
Oh, boy.
Wow.
Oh, my God.
Having a little trouble. She's over top of the weeds there.
One.
Oh.
Now you have to.
Zach, hit it right at me. Hit all the candy right to me.
I see my bag.
I'm grabbing a Reese's.
Where's my bag?
Whoa.
Where's my bag? One.
Salad.
Sometimes you gotta
That's my
really
thumb.
just whap the heck out of those things sometimes.
Daddy, we might need to do the same thing.
Move
She
it back.
popped the eye in. The eye's like squished.
Stand back, all you guys.
getting dangerous
I think so.
Look at the wing. It's all
You gotta try to whap it on the green part. Get it on the green part.
green. That's what I went doing. It feels like plaster in there. It's salad. I broke my thumb again. Kill it. Kill that butterfly. One more time. Whack that thing.
The wings
Whack
are
him right in
almost
the
off
face.
of it.
Gosh, that thing just doesn't want to break.
Yeah, I know it's salad. I hit it and my thumb felt like it broke.
Why don't you let us at least hit it 3 times?
Cam, move back.
Wild man here.
Cameron.
Move back.
Oh, I just wanted them to have one this year.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, Megan, stand back. Stand back. Whoa.
Oh, swing two way. Holy, yo,
Okay.
stop.
Okay, Rob, let somebody else.
I got some dirt in the can.
Move back, Meg.
You move it back and right here.
One, two, three. No.
Hurry, Rob, get up there. Get some candy. Hurry. Oh, wait, go on the sheet, Rob. Over here. Come on. Go over here. Hurry. Over here. Robbie.
Hey, Robbie. Get in there. Get on the sheet.
Here, Robbie.
You want some candy?
Can Robbie have Milky Way? Did you already go in?
Oh, I killed all the candy. Darn it.
Here.
There's probably some more, actually.
I got some for you.
Is there some more left?
No, we
I don't think so.
Girls gave me some too, Carrie.
There's one right there. Oh, okay.
There's chocolate swapped
I
out.
broke it all apart. Oh, that's the way to do it. There's one more.
I have
one-handed.
I have mostly dirt in here.
I have like 2 pieces.
I have mostly dirt in here.
Where's the other piece?
I think it flew.
Maybe there's some in there.
Open the screen door. Just open the screen door. Momentarily.
Come Meg.
Doesn't Jamie like see recognize it?
Oh, cool. What is that?
Cool. Wow.
This is actually, we gave it to Emily for her birthday.
Yeah.
And it didn't fit, but I guess Maggie or somebody had turned the tag out. She was like, what am I going to do with it now? I don't know where it is. So anyways, Maggie really liked it. It went with her butterfly theme.
Yep, that's what this is. Everything goes with my butterfly.
What do you think of that thing?
Maggie, what did you think?
Last year,
What did you think of the theme?
what do you think of it?
Her mom thought couldn't think of the theme this year, so I didn't.
She loves butterfly.
What is their theme this year?
Butterfly.
Butterflies.
Mom's game.
There's smiley faces last year.
Even the butterfly pinata.
Mm-hmm.
They love everything. Maps,
What is it?
pictures.
Oh, cool.
Don't take a picture of me.
We got it.
It'll burn down. They're cute. Remember I had like 2 trees. I had a pair of like those small. I like any shoes. Yeah. Didn't you like bug your mom really bad? Did you ever live? Yeah. And you walked on the street from her. I remember this.
Okay, where's the cameras?
Where's the music?
Where's the music?
Happy birthday.
That last one's got
There you go.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Megan. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, make a wish.
Wow, such a exuberance. Boy, oh boy.
You have to have Karen help you.
You took one big blow at that.
She's like spitting on the cake.
I like the little bees.
You can have
Can I have
You have the bee.
That's okay. You can take
I
it.
want a bee.
Can't eat it.
Yeah. Okay. Just take it from him, Zach. Okay.
You want to keep it like a toy?
No. Okay. Oh, no. You got one.
Oh my gosh, Robbie.
Come on, you got one.
It's Megan's birthday. It's
You
not
got
yours. Make them smaller. Thinner.
Show her that. Show her where to cut the knife.
Wow, what a good
Whoa, these are humongous.
Yeah, but we're gonna make them really thin.
Oh, good.
That one's a little bigger. You sliced your name in half.
What if they were just that one big piece?
Okay, have her cut from the other side, Jack. There might not be enough. Jack, have her cut from the other side so you don't have to cut them all now. You might not need them.
Wait,
Way
Just cut
thin.
the ocean
Jack.
half.
You should turn the cake sideways.
Here, you can jump on the cake.
Cut some of these